The legend versus the challenger. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S has ruled the ultra high performance kingdom for years. But now, a new force has emerged. The all-new 2025 Pirelli P Zero PZ5. Can it dethrone the reigning champion? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's Best Performance Tyre for 2025 test. Let's start with wet. The PZ5 brakes 0.6 meters shorter than the 4S, a 3% improvement. In straight-line aquaplaning, it holds on slightly better, maintaining grip at 0.5 km per hour higher slipping speed, a 1% edge. When it comes to subjective feel in wet handling, the PZ5 feels more composed, scoring 0.5 points higher, which is another 3% difference. Finally, it completes the wet handling lap nearly 2.86 seconds quicker, also a 3% gain. In dry, it's another tight battle. The PZ5 stops 0.49 meter earlier than the 4S, a 1% advantage. It also completes the dry handling lap 0.99 seconds faster, again a 1% gain. In terms of driving feel, both score equally high at 10 points, delivering the same subjective experience. Comfort-wise, both tyres are equally refined, each rated at 10 points. But when it comes to noise, the PZ5 is 1.3 decibel quieter, a 2% reduction in exterior noise. When it comes to rolling resistance, Michelin takes its turn to shine here. It posts a slightly lower rolling resistance at 8.7 newtons per kilonewton compared to 8.9 from PZ5, a 2% efficiency advantage for the 4S. Now let's talk about price. In the 225/40 R18 size, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 is nearly 49% more affordable than the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. That's a major difference, especially for drivers looking to maximize performance without breaking the bank. So, what's the verdict? The Pirelli P Zero PZ5 excels in wet, dry, and noise categories. While the Michelin has a slight edge in rolling resistance, the PZ5 clearly signals the era of the new top dog in the UUHP segment. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.